So, my dear friend, this is voltage regulator LM7805. Input at 1 number pin, ground 2 number pin, 3 number pin is output. And see how these two capacitors are put only. 3 components.
So my dear friends, as today I was searching for 5 volt supply and I couldn't get it. So by using 3 components only, I was having 12 volt supply, then one battery at my home. So I used that 12 volt to make 5 volt so that I can use it for my electric lighting effects. Duly programmed. It is in my playlist in description. And so immediately I was having this voltage regulator 7805. So I used that and start making the 5 volt supply from 12 volt. So let us proceed and watch how I did it. So there is some practical is also being shown in the second half of this video. So please go through. Just within 10 minutes you can get 5 volt supply for mobile charging, for anything, whatever you want, DC voltage. So let us start.
So, my dear friends, good day from Electric Uncle, head wale engineer R.S. Sharma. So, dosto, my dear friends, today we will do something on the board first, then practical. Now, I will take you to the board and make a diagram for this conversion of 5 volt from 12 volt DC. How the circuit is it. So, how to make at home with 3 components only. You need to make it. To make 5 volt for battery charger, for anything you can use in your lights also. It's a very easy way. I will show you what I did to make this 5 volt supply with 3 components at my home. I was having this voltage regulator. You know, this is a very small component, just cost 15 to 20 rupees. 7805. With the help of this, I make 5 volt from 12 volt. I was having a battery at home. I will show you the practical also in the second half. After a few minutes, you will see how I did it at home. Make connections and I will get you checked up the voltage, this and that. So this is 7805 voltage regulator. You might have seen the image in starting of this voltage regulator. This is like a transistor, shape, visibility. So it has 3 points, 1, 2, 3 legs. So you can proceed with that. And now see, I have made this movie big. So I will make little small this circuit so that I can show you other parts also. 2 more components, only 2 capacitors we have to fix. And if got heated up, don't worry. Just put a voltage regulator if you are using little bit for high amperes. It get heated up due to flow of current. So just put that. So this is number 1 leg, the input 12 volt. I will make it small little. Just watch. The same voltage regulator with 3 legs. One is for input, this is for ground or say negative for 12 volt input, and this is for output, positive 5 volt, and ground is common. We will take the same ground for the output or say negative. So just you can give from any source, from battery, Dear friend, this is dubbing, so sometimes the lips and the voice doesn't match, so please don't mind. Just go through it, check. This negative supply, positive supply from any source, 12 volt DC. Yeah, say your computer charger adapter, it have 18 volts. You can give 18 volts also, 12 to 24 volt, whatever is. And ground is common. This is the positive output. We will get here 5 volt positive. You can use it for anything, for electric lighting effects, for your battery mobile charger. I will show you how it charges the mobile also. So gradually we can do something and very easily. Now, two more components. We will add one capacitor at the input, one capacitor at the output. It helps in a smooth supply and got reserve in it the energy, so that sometime if there is any need, extra, plus, minus, so it feed it. They remain charged. So constant voltage, they help too much for the output 5 volt and the input as well as. So each you can put any microfarad. I have taken 10 microfarad, 10 microfarad. If the current is low, you can put 0.22 microfarad, 0.1 microfarad even. So there is no certain rule. The voltage, keep it 25 volts. Suppose you are going to give little more voltage, 18 volt input to get 5 volt output. So this 7805 regulate that supply to 5 volts. This voltage regulator, it regulates it. Whatever supply you are giving 12 to 24 volt, it will give 5 volt output. That is its property, you can say. So now the ground is common, and this board, you know, I am telling that this board I make it by myself. You purchase this board, one side is black, one side is white. Purchase this aluminium frame, just screw it up, put 2 clips. So in Corona there is no excuse. So whatever I was having, I made it from that, and some material I got it from here and there. So this is the most economical way. In Corona you learn a lot of new things. So I also did the same. I utilize my time in learning a lot of things like Arduino, Uno, programming, coding, PCB designing, and what I learned, now I am making videos for you. So that my knowledge, I should share it here. It should not go with me. So this is the best way. I am passing my time and try to help the students, new engineers, or the hobbyists who want as a hobby these projects as a school project, so they can proceed. Students, school going students, right? So it is going to help a lot. It is a free education platform. So all this I will show you in the practically. Now we will proceed and I will show you the things in a practical way. Just come with me and see. Now you see, this is very small chip I made from a zero PCB, and in air also you can solder the things, but I use this chip very small, and I fix up this voltage regulator 3 legs. At the side 2 capacitors only. One side is the incoming from the battery I have at home, 12 volt battery, and one side I have given the output for 5 volt. So I have used red and blue for output 5 volt, red and black for input 12 volt. So see, from there I will give 5 volt and I will get the output from there. And one more thing I have done, I have made a USB port on 0 PCB, and that too also I have connected in parallel with the output 5 volt supply. And the blue wire that I have kept it is spare, anywhere for my lighting effects I can use it. So this is the connection as I show you in the diagram. And in the starting of the video there is a diagram, you can follow that also. Just pause my video, check that diagram and make it. Now you see, I will show you that my mobile will start getting charged. You will see the mark, it will charge. So when I will connect it, you will hear a sound. You see, it has started charging. The homemade mobile charger with 3 components only. One voltage regulator, 2 capacitors, one input supply of 12 volt DC. That so many things you can get it at your home. So I was in need of a 5 volt supply for my lighting effects for Diwali. Now I will show you the voltage, what is the input, what is the output exactly we are getting from here. And the voltage regulator, it got heated up little, so don't worry about that. We can put a heat sink on the back side of this voltage regulator to dissipate its heat, right? So now we will check the voltage from battery as well as the output. First we can go ahead with the output voltage, as how much we are getting it. So just watch the meter, the multimeter. First I will check the battery voltage. Now it is 13.9, and of course my battery is on the charging also. I have a separate charger for the battery. Always keep my battery charged for any emergency, anything. So now we will measure the voltage at the end. Output, blue is positive, black is negative. Let us see how much we are getting. Say 5.03 voltage. So voltage regulator is the perfect regulator, and just with a small 1 inch, this I made for using USB for my mobile charging. And this is our voltage regulator for 5 volt supply. See, these 3 legs are here. One number is for input, 3 number. See, it is getting heated up. So we can put at the back one heat sink. So that I can do later on. But here we will put that heat sink. So no problem for heating up. Normally it heated up. When you draw more current, it got more heated up. So it depends on the current you are drawing. For mobile, for this, and the capacitor we can change. Capacitor is feeding more current, so we can provide a low value capacitor. So that is not a big problem. So what I mean to say that at home you can do certain things. Why to buy a 300 if you have a 12 volt supply at home? So my dear friends, try, make practice of it. Do it as I did it. It is a very useful thing for you.
So hope you learned it, and how you like this idea, video, and so many persons they may be floating these type of videos. So just I face the problem, so I make it accordingly. That how to make self with using 3 components. So dear friends, subscribe the channel, share it, so get it reached to the hobbyist. Some people as a hobby they used to do the things. Thanks, and see you in our next video.